Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be all about this look right here. I'm feeling kind of ugh. Mother Nature is upon me, or she's almost upon me. And so I'm just not wanting to get up and do anything. Like, it took me forever to just get up and clean myself. So give me a thumbs up just for the fact that I got this video done today. Because otherwise, I would have been in the bed still. You want to do this look? Let's zoom in and let's get it done. Chill. 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 Chill.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like Kung Fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, but I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. It's my myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Oh baby, if you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just want it. Yeah, I just wanna. I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. It's my myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. But I just want it.
Inside I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. Yeah, this don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and out with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this. Perfect soulmate, I wanna show it my best friend. She saved my life, my happy end in hard times.
Oh baby, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. But I just want it. Can't get to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself, to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself. But I just want it. Can't get to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself, to myself, can't get to myself. Oh Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so bright.
Alright, so I guess then what I'll do is just put on a lip gloss, because this is a super simple, really easy, like everyday lookity look. No, I don't want colored lip gloss. I'm gonna use a non-colored lip gloss. This one's from Bare Minerals. Yeah, that works. Don't make me laugh. Alright everybody, this is how I did this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this look, make sure you give me a thumbs up if you didn't already, because you should have already given me a thumbs up, because I got up and did it anyways. Did you see the intro? I'm empty inside. If you did not like this video and you click the thumbs down, leave me a message with a message that tells me why you didn't like the video. Just don't be rude. See, I need to go back to bed. That's what that means.
You just need a Red Bull.
I do need a Red Bull.
You didn't even do that right.
I can't do it. I just don't have, you know, you just don't have any.
Is it enthusiasm?
Like nothing. Like I have nothing to give. Let's just be for real. Like nothing. What else am I supposed to say in my closing, y'all? It's that time of the month and I'm tired and I really just want to lay down. And this is a easy, simple, everyday face. I hope you guys liked it. There's the video so you can watch some more. There's the subscribe button. I just feel like poop. I hope you liked the video. Cut me out. Cut me out. Cut me out. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, y'all. It's the right thing to do.